Hello students. First and foremost, a big congratulations to all the students who have qualified for the second level of SOF Olympiads. You have all done an amazing job and now you are one step closer to becoming an international rank holder. Exciting, isn't it? As you know, SOF conducts 7 Olympiads annually and last year the International Hindi Olympiad IHO has been added, making it a total of 8 Olympiads. Among this, only the International English Olympiad IEO, International Mathematics Olympiad IMO and National Science Olympiad NSO have level 2 exams. Today, we are here to clear all the doubts that the student have regarding the guidelines for the level 2 examinations. Now, let's get down to the important details. The SOF second level Olympiads are scheduled to be held on 9 Feb 2025. All the second level Olympiads will take place on the same day at different timings. First, SOF IO International English Olympiad will be held from 9 am to 10 am. Next, SOF NSO National Science Olympiad will be held from 11 am to 12 noon. And lastly, IMO International Mathematics Olympiad will be held from 1 pm to 2 pm. Moving on, here are a few things that you need to take care of. Number 1. Students must report to their allocated centers at least 30 minutes before the commencement of the exam. Being punctual is essential. Number 2. Students will be allowed entry to the exam hall 15 minutes before the exam begins. This will give you enough time to settle down and fill in your particulars on the OMR sheet. Number 3. It's important to remember that students will not be allowed entry into the exam hall once 10 minutes have passed after the exam has commenced. So make sure you are on time during the exam. Things you need to take care of. Number 1. During the exam, students cannot leave the hall until the completion of the exam time unless given permission by the invigilator. Number 2. Each exam will allow students 60 minutes to complete it for parents and guardians. It is important for parents to understand that you will not be allowed entry inside the exam centers. This is to ensure a fair and distraction-free amendment for all the participants. Now, let's address another important question that many students have asked: how to get the admit cards. Number 1. Admit cards will be couriered to your respective schools. Number 2. You can also find your admit cards uploaded on our website, which is www.sofworld.org. Number 3. Admit cards may be emailed to your respective schools as well. Number 4. Remember to carry 2 copies of the admit card. Paste your colored passport size photographs on both copies and get them attested by the school authorities. Important information about SOF admit card. The admit card contains essential details such as the venue, address, and time of the exam. It is vital that you bring both copies of admit cards to the exam center, where one copy will be retained by the center. Additionally, please remember to carry separate sets of admit cards for each second level Olympiad you have qualified for. It is also very important to understand some common guidelines for the SOF level 2 Olympiads. Number 1. Second level Olympiads will be held for all the students from classes 3 to 12 who have qualified for the level 2. Number 2. The exams will be conducted in pen and paper mode with multiple choice questions. Remember, there will be no negative markings. Number 3. If you have already qualified for the second level, there is no need to re-register. Number 4. You may use the assigned rough work area provided in the question paper. Number 5. Now, paying attention to this one. You are not allowed to bring any textual material, printed or written, bits of paper, calculators, mobile phones or any other electronic devices into the exam hall. Please make your own arrangements for keeping your personal belongings safe. Number 6. Only admit cards and a pen or pencil will be permitted in the exam hall. Number 7. Remember, anyone found using unfair means will be expelled from the examination center. If the use of any unfair means is detected after the exam, your result may not be declared and you will not be eligible for any award or certificates. That's it. SOF wishes all the best to all the participants of SOF Olympiads. You have worked hard to get here. So do your best and shine on an international level. We are rooting for you for more helpful content about SOF Level 2 and stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel of Science Olympiad Foundation. Keep learning and keep growing.